Hi guys! Tonight I'm doing a 2-cup pour, and the colors that I'm using white, using orange with a little bit of gold in there, not quite mixed in, just streaks of it, purple with streaks of gold, actually this is violet, and a turquoise color with some gold. Okay, so let's get started. I'm doing 2 cups. At the bottom of the, let's start with purple, actually. Violet, okay? Violet is the actual color. Okay, next, let's put in some white. Not too much, just a little bit of white. Next, orange. Okay. And finally, turquoise with some gold. Not too much. Not too much. Oh. Okay. So, it's time to flip it. Time to flip. We'll use this to flip. Okay. We will use this to flip. So, let's go ahead and put this on this. Take the other one, put it over it, and then we shall ready, set, flip. Okay, I think I flipped. Let's get this situated. Let's wait a minute. This side and flip. There we go. Ooh, almost lost some of it. Okay, let's tilt without losing too much of it. Tilt this way. I'm losing a lot of it. Okay. Tilt this other way. Oh, I'm liking this. Okay, where's my tilt cup? Let's get some in the corner. Get some paint in the corners. Not bad, except for my corners not having paint. Not bad at all. Turquoise on this corner, some turquoise on that corner. I like that. Okay. Except for the mess I made, I think this looks okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and make suggestions on colors.